So this demo video is recorded with the intention of showing you how we upgrade from DB2 Intelligence Center DIC to Genius Hub. So first of all, I did not have any intelligence center setup. So just for the demo purpose, I have downloaded and installed it. Many of you must have already been using intelligence center. So just in case if you have to install it again. So these are the steps. You can download it from Pick Central. There you get to select the product. IBM DB2 Intelligence Center I selected, and I selected the latest version, and the platform is Linux. And after that, it downloads the tar file on my local, and once like this, once I have this tar file, I transferred it to my Linux machine, my file VM, and I untarred it, and I have run this setup.sh over there. So it gave me link of web console HTTP URL as well. So this URL, if I open it, I will land to my intelligence center web console.
Okay, so now our quick prerequisites before upgrading Intelligence Center to Genius Hub is that like we have to configure RepoDB and like I have configured it over here. This is the RepoDB, and we have also have to configure one of the target DB. I've created this IC target DB. Now I will try to upgrade this. So let's log into my FireVM. Okay, so yeah, we untarred our Genius Hub tar file over here. So let's go to this directory. Okay, now we need to run setup.sh. Let's see. So yeah, these are the three options you will get. First is like perform a new installation of Genius Hub, which is by default. Second is upgrading the existing IBM DB2 Intelligence Center to Genius Hub, which is our intention over here. We already have Intelligence Center on the same FireVM. Now we need to upgrade it to Genius Hub. And third is also like if you want to upgrade the existing DB2 management console to IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Since in this case we have Intelligence Center, we'll go with upgrading of IC to Genius Hub. We'll go with second one. Okay, so it is recommending me to refer to this doc. Let's go check this doc. These are a migrating IBM DB2 Intelligence Center to DB2 Genius Hub docs. Okay, so it is asking me to GH installation directory. Okay, yeah, we are in the same directory. And then stop DB2 GH server by running the script. Go to bin folder, and there we'll find stop.sh. Let's run this. IBM DB2 Genius Hub already stopped. Okay. Now we'll have to untar it, which we have already done. So proceed with setup.sh. Okay. Let's continue over here. So here we have to give the installation path of Intelligence Center, which is this. It says IBM DB2 Intelligence Center is currently running in the background, needs to be stopped. Do you want to stop? Yes. It is stopping Intelligence Center. ensure you have backed up your report data. You can follow the guide to back up the database. Okay, so here we have given the proper documentation like backing up the database before you begin. Have to follow these steps: db2 backup database sample to db2 backup, activate database sample. Okay, these are steps we need to follow to back up our database. Now it is starting the repository migration. After a few seconds it says migration completed successfully. Press enter to continue. Press enter to continue viewing the license agreement, or enter 1 to accept the agreement. 1 to accept. C. Moving new product files in place completed. Welcome to IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Following settings are defined in the setup.config file. Server settings. So it has given me my port number, and default ID is Urvashi. Do you want to continue setting up the product with this configuration? I will say yes. If you want to change, you can say no. See, it has given me the web console URL for Genius Hub. Let me try opening this. And it has given also given the login ID. Password would be same, which was your DIC password. I'm trying with the same password. Yeah. See, so we have upgraded our DIC to Genius Hub, and it's all successful. See, the database, target database is all same. Let's check the RepoDB. It is the same. See, just for this purpose I created the database name with IC RepoDB, and it is same. So same data is migrated to your from DIC to your Genius Hub. It's now complete.